Hey guys, hope you're doing well. We covered the Warehouse Poland warehouse jobs event in our last video. For those of you who missed the registration dates, you don't have to worry. I'm going to tell you about another job fair that's coming up in October for warehouse and factory jobs with job seeker registrations open. There's a high demand for these jobs and they're offering good salaries and employee benefits as well. 20 employers will be participating in this event and they'll be hiring international applicants for 25 types of job roles. Both skilled and unskilled jobs will be provided in this career fair. Jobs for entry-level positions are also being covered, so don't miss this golden opportunity. Here too, your jobs will be with complete work visa sponsorship by your employer. The job fair event is going to be on the 17th of October 2024, and through this job fair, you can get your work visa in as less as 7 to 15 days. The visa cost is just 80 euros, which is paid by your employer since it's a sponsored visa. You don't need IELTS or any other language test, and you don't need to evaluate your degrees or any other education qualifications. In fact, you can get these entry-level warehouse and factory jobs easily through just a high school education as well. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything about the upcoming career fair that you can take part in online, the employers offering jobs and the 25 positions they are hiring for, and step-by-step instructions on how you can register for it as well. So do watch the video till the end. Hey guys, this is Jason from Dream Canada. If you're new to the channel, I show people how to save their money and immigrate to new countries through my videos without the help of any immigration consultants or agents or lawyers. You can find all the process instructions for you to apply on your own through this channel. Subscribe now because all the information provided here is completely free and I answer all your queries in the comment section and on my social handles on Instagram and Twitter, so don't forget to follow us there as well. You can even get in touch with us directly via WhatsApp on the number shared on the screen. Without wasting any time, let's directly move on to the career fair page. I'll add a link to this page in the description box so you can complete your registration process through the link provided. Kindly note that the registration is currently open and is completely free. The date for this event is the 17th of October 2024 between 9 AM to 3 PM Poland time. As you can see, 20 employers will be participating and hiring for both local and foreign candidates. As you can see here, you can participate for this event online and job seeker registrations are currently open for this event. For this job fair, a total of 25 positions are currently being recruited, from which 15 are skilled positions and 10 are entry-level positions. The skilled positions targeted include production line operator, machine operator, maintenance technician, warehouse supervisor, production supervisor, fabrication specialist, logistics coordinator, automation technicians, among others, and entry-level positions targeted include general laborers, packaging assistants, warehouse workers, factory helpers, assembly line workers, loading and unloading workers, forklift operators for which training will be provided, and cleaning and sanitation workers. To register for this career fair, similar to the previous one, just click on the register now button here and you now have to fill in your details and tick on the Poland Factory Career Online Fairs 2024 for the 17th of October. As you scroll below, fill in your country of residence and citizenship, tick the languages you know, enter in your age, education and work experience details, enter in your skills, your LinkedIn profile URL and click on yes for do you need a work permit. Visas for non-EU candidates will be processed by the hiring company. Enter in your job title and make sure you only mention a job title from the 25 targeted warehouse and factory positions I showed you earlier. Click yes for your Europass CV. If you don't know the correct format or keywords to be included, reach out to us and we'll create this personalized CV and cover letter for you at a nominal cost. After filling in your details, tick on the privacy policy and click on register, and that's it, you're done. You'll get a confirmation on the email address you've registered with along with instructions on participating in the event as well. Now keep a reminder and don't forget to participate on the 17th of October. Alright guys, so that was about Poland's job fair. For more immigration and travel tips, do subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for new updates. Thanks for watching and all the best for your application.